What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we still have this massive downtrend, and I have to say that my main suggestion was not to enter this swing trade position, because we don't have enough confirmation from the price chart that we have a new uptrend, and definitely we didn't have higher highs and higher lows. Instead of this, we have lower highs and lower lows. This means we are still in downtrend. And from the investor standpoint, the prices that are below $15 price point is extremely juicy for the investment in this company, because in the long run this company is extremely attractive, and I will show you in my fundamental analysis why I think so. But before we switch to fundamentals, let me show you this candle. As you can see, it is a first green candle with the huge green volume, and the shape of this candle is the hammer, and it is the trend reversal candle. Potentially from this range, when you can see this type of candles at the end of downtrend, and especially if it has a huge volume and it is the green candle, this means from this point, from this candle, we might have a trend reversal, at least a medium-term trend reversal. And I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes. I will show you why we have this candle exactly at this range, at the range of about $11.8. And I will show you that this asset is extremely technical. So let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let me show you just several numbers that we have for now related to this stock. This company has a total market cap of $27.13 billion. They have an incredible gross profit margin of 77.48%, and definitely it is very good gross profit margin even among the software companies. They have a revenue of $1.43 billion with a revenue growth of 43.12%. They have a negative net income, basically they have losses of $512.53 million, but this company is operationally profitable. And these losses is nothing else but the stock-based compensation that allows this company to attract the best people on the market to work in this corporation. And they have a very strong cash position of $2.53 billion, and for now this company is debt-free, and this number is outdated. On top of that, this company is generating very good free cash flow of $514.58 million. So fundamentally this company is a very good company, and I have to say that its growth numbers are also very impressive. And let me show you this article. It was published on January 24th on Forbes.com, and it's titled "Down 45% since November. Is Palantir stock a buy?" And let me quote you this. While high-growth software stocks have seen a sell-off due to the prospect of rising interest rates and the broader market rotation out of pandemic winners into real economy sectors, there are some stock-specific factors that are impacting Palantir as well. For example, investors are likely a bit concerned about a slower growth at the company's government business over Q3 2021, and also due to its growing dependence on the US market for commercial revenue growth. However, we think that Palantir stock looks like a good pick at its current market price of about $15 per share. Despite the recent concerns, Palantir's overall growth rate is likely to remain solid. Sales are on track to rise by around 40% in 2021. Results are likely due in February. And Palantir further sees its revenues growing at levels of over 30% each year between 2021 through 2025. The longer-term opportunity also looks solid. That long long-term opportunity for this company basically is the lifetime opportunity, because in my opinion we won't see these lower prices for this company never again. So let's continue right here. DuPont Therapeutics, a biotech company, indicated that it would leverage Palantir's technology to discover treatments and cures for challenging diseases by analyzing lab data and other data sources, including data from the published literature and databases. Separately, Korean behemoth Hyundai Heavy Industries will leverage Palantir's tools in various areas, including shipbuilding and offshore engineering. Deals such as these across industries could help to drive growth for Palantir. And here is the estimation from Forbes. We estimate Palantir valuation at about $25 per share, translating into a potential upside of over 60% from the current market price. This represents a price to EBITDA multiple of 46 for the company based on our forecast of Palantir's EBITDA for the current fiscal year. So, and let me show you other forecasts. We are on tpranks.com, and we still have 8 ratings. 1 suggests to buy, 3 to hold, and 4 to sell. But even the lowest price target is $18, and it is almost 50% higher from our current ranges. Average price target is $21.14, and the highest price target is $25. So the forecast for this company is quite attractive. And let me show you the smart money list. We have recent filings that were made on January 25th, and as you can see, we have more green lines than the red ones. Some companies opened their new positions, and they also bought call and put options, but overall the sentiment is quite bullish. 21.5 thousand shares on call options and only 500 shares on put options. And we have more green lines than the red ones, and other companies pretty much hold their position. And this means, let me show you right here, this chart indicates that a lot of new institutional investors buy this stock despite of the huge decrease in price. And it is a very good long-term catalyst. So, and let me show you that for now we have basically red day on market, and if I switch, it is a S&P 500 heat map, and if I switch from daily performance to weekly performance, we have the same picture, and even monthly performance is also pretty much red. And definitely the markets for now are bleeding, and we are anticipating the speech from Jerome Powell and his forecast for the interest rates. And definitely if the interest rates will be much higher than anticipated, we'll see more bearish pressure on the stocks like Palantir. And it is what it is, we have to be prepared for this. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, this candle is extremely bullish, and let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you on a greater scale. We have this price action. And I have to say that we completed all 5 wave structure right here at the very beginning, despite of the lack of information of the first wave. And this means from the end of January of 2021 till current date, we have this consolidation phase. And we all know that retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. Usually it has this type of shape. And if I make this as our A wave, this as our B wave, and for now we are at the bottom of our C wave, it works perfectly well. As you can see, this structure is quite accurate, because we have 5 wave structure in our A wave, and this wave should have 5 or 3 wave structure. We have 3 wave structure in the B wave, and it happened only in this wave. And we have to have 5 wave structure on our C wave, and technically we pretty much complete all 5 waves. If it is the case, with the very shallow 4th wave, we have this as our bottom of the 5th wave, or we might have one more small leg to the downside. And if it is the case, we can project the length of the C wave compared to the length of the A wave. And I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and to this top. And what do we have here? we hit 0.618 Fibonacci extension level, and from this range we have this massive candle to the upside. So it is very technical, despite of lack of information, despite of lack of supports right here. We have this pivot point as a very technical pivot point, and this means with this increase in volume, we might consider it as a potential trend reversal, or in worst case scenario, the trend reversal will be very soon. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!